Welcome to Herbal Corner, the way to a quick and easy solution to your problem. If you are excited to find out, hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. Today, I will be showing you the fail-proof strategy I used in transforming my face in one night using Vaseline and egg. If you're looking for a cure-it-all, fix-it-all type of face mask, this Vaseline and egg white mask truly are for everything and by everything. I mean, it will treat acne, random breakouts, aging, skin, dull skin, oily skin, and even reduce the appearance of acne scars, sunspots, and dark spots. So if you're struggling with acne, dark spots, or rough dehydrated patches on your face, getting clear soft skin, you don't need to go any further than your kitchen to get one of the most effective ingredients in clearing and smoothing the skin. Now, the reason we love this Vaseline face mask is that it's so simple to make and requires the most of basic ingredients such as Vaseline, egg white, and a lime or lemon juice. What's even better is that after just one use, you'll notice brighter, softer skin, and used regularly like 2 to 3 times a week, it can cure a multitude of things. Before we start, here is a quick cheat for you. Make sure you watch this video to the end because we have some bonus tips on how to have better smooth skin at the end of the video. So share with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more wonderful health tips and beauty remedies. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Now, what you need to achieve the desired goal of a smooth face are these ingredients that work perfectly in smoothing the skin: Vaseline, egg white, lemon juice. So before we get into the demonstration proper, here is why you should use these ingredients. First, Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly, protects skin as a barrier and helps block the skin's moistness. In other words, it helps to seal in skin's moisture and helps skin retain water, which makes it a great ingredient to fight wrinkles. Applying Vaseline on the face will leave your skin super soft and silky because of its moisturizing properties, as well as give it a really beautiful glow. Egg. Eggs are naturally rich in nutrients and offer a large number of health benefits. Particularly, egg white is highly beneficial to enhance our beauty. They have been used for many decades to get beautiful skin and make the hair shiny and lustrous. The astringent-like property of egg white helps to tighten the skin pores and gives you a youthful appearance. Also packed with protein, egg whites tighten aid in regenerating cells and purging pores, makes for the perfect skin cleanser as well. Lemon. It acts as a natural bleaching agent, helping to reduce the appearance of scars, dark spots, and age spots. Also detoxifies the skin, cleanses, and acts as a toner. Now, having said that, here are what you need to set the ball rolling. 1 tablespoon Vaseline, 1 egg white, a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice. If you have those ingredients ready, then it's time to start mixing them one after the other. To do that, first, separate the egg white from the egg yolk. Whip up the whites just until a little frothy. Add the Vaseline, and a few drops of lemon juice. Apply the mask to a clean face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until completely dry. Your skin may feel a little tight, but that's completely normal. Rinse off and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can even use this egg face mask overnight to purge pores and do a deep cleaning and skin tightening. Use regularly to remove your skin blackheads, breakouts, and stop dryness and droopy. P.S. Just as with everything, please test a small amount or a small patch on your arm to make sure you are not allergic to any of these ingredients. If you feel any discomfort, pain, or see any irritation, please discontinue use. Wash off with lukewarm water and pat dry. And do not use it if you have any cuts, scrapes, or open sores. Now that you finally made it to the end of the video, we'll also keep to our promise. So very quickly, I am going to show some bonus tips on how to further smoothen your skin with Vaseline safely and conveniently. Now, if you got the demonstration, here are other amazing ways to use Vaseline on the skin for the utmost result. Apply it on your face before bed. Another great way to improve the health of your skin is to put Vaseline on your face before bed. Just a small amount is all you need to hydrate your dry skin and wake up with the most amazing glow you've ever had. Use for massage. Massage the Vaseline into your hands and cuticles before bed and wake up with hydrated soft cuticles. This will also strengthen the nails and promote growth. Apply a small amount of Vaseline along the lash line and on your eyebrows to encourage hair growth. Vaseline is packed full of nutrients and vitamins which can prompt faster growth. Use Vaseline to remove stubborn makeup. It's a cheap, safe, and alternative to commercial makeup removers, and it does an incredible job. Apply all over the body as a moisturizer. Vaseline has incredible healing and hydrating properties, so it makes for a great body lotion. Apply immediately after getting out of the shower for maximum results. Got an uneven tan? Vaseline can help tone skin. Simply apply all over affected areas in slow circular motions. Vaseline helps to lock in moisture, so the more often you apply Vaseline to the face, the more hydration you'll get. Find this video interesting? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. Give this a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to keep you updated for more amazing videos from Herbal Corner.